lay down on the ground and we'll see if it lands on me.
Yeah. Oh my God, I would get up. Okay, so Chris and I fired up the Phantom 3 today. We just read that DJI was discontinuing service or support, I guess, for some Phantom 3 models. I believe the 4K as well as the Phantom 2, but trusty old standard guy here, good to go. Now, I'm not exactly sure what these positions do. I got Ardi mode in the bottom and FGPS or PGPS. We're gonna go with that's position. F is follow? No, I don't think so.
Memory's failing us. And then how do you do return to home?
I'm pretty sure I toggled this other switch a few times. It'll start beeping. We'll do it. We'll find out what happens. But I got a gimbal wheel. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Let's get this guy in the air. All right, I've already lost picture a couple of times on the screen here because it connects via Wi-Fi. It looks like I got some serious horizon tilt issues, but I believe that it was crashed, so the gimbal was repaired. So there's that. Yeah. Where's? Fly over this pond. Get a pretty shot. Yeah, I keep losing picture. Make sure I can see this. The camera's not bad.
I've seen worse from Phantom 3s. That
For
horizon is epically. That's like 5 degrees.
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh, wait, it just... Wait, no, it's going the other way now. Wasn't it going the other way a second ago?
I don't know. Well, I turned the drone around.
Now it's flat. See, it's just all over the place.
Got it. We got it.
No, now it's back that way.
Definitely don't want to fly this thing over people.
Say again.
What does one of these guys cost? Man, I keep losing picture.
I don't know if we could give one of these again away.
I know, but is it? I mean, if it was like $200, I would tell someone to buy one. But
oh, like new, like as opposed to a Spark.
Correct. Or like a mini SE.
It's so
Look
loud.
It is maneuverable. Look at that thing up there.
Oh, look at those props. Oh my gosh.
Oh, props in the shot? Yeah.
Do the pond over there across the street. Let's get a nice pond. Look down. One of our B-roll shots is the unique.
It is. Actually, that's
in autumn.
Yeah, it is nice. Oh, lost some picture. Here we go, coming back.
It always comes back, though. I mean, a little minor short loss. I mean, that's
Yeah. I mean,
par for the course.
Not flying this thing out of visual line of sight. Do I dare do return to home?
Do it. Let's demonstrate how that used to be done for people.
I think it's this. Oh, there is a return to home button there, but I think that's what this does. If I toggle it, go home. Boom!
In case your screen conks out because it's 20 degrees out and your iPhone 6 dies, which is what happened to me once.
I've had that happen too. All right, now I'm a little nervous about where it's gonna land. Let's see. I mean, where do we take off? Over here, pretty close. Let's see.
Yeah, I'll lay down on the ground and we'll see if it lands on me. Here, you hold the camera.
Chris is sacrificing himself to the drone gods. I don't think it's gonna.
Oh, it's dodging a bird. It must have obstacle avoidance. recording on the drone?
I am.
Between the legs?
Almost.
Yeah.
Oh my, I would get up. All right, so the conclusion is no. You know, you probably don't want to buy this thing new in 2022. I'd go with the Mini SC. It's fun. It's nostalgic. I'd probably use it for fishing.
How much fishing line do you drop?
I want to do that with this.
Big fisherman all of a sudden. Okay.
You know, I think I had to get like 6 or so beers into Chris before he decided to lay down and let this thing land between his legs. I don't suggest that either, but yeah, it's a fun drone, but it's past its prime. You know, hopefully they do continue support for this because there are so many Phantom 3s out there. But I could see in the not too distant future that, you know, they're going to discontinue support on this as well. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck and happy flying.
Good for fishing.